I checked. I was watching your phone in the camera the whole time we had that conversation. I know it's not recorded.
You sure about that?
Now the cameras are sneakier, but last year I was on it.
Some conversations don't need to be recorded.
That's right. Compelled to wash
That
this
person
car.
is just running with a pineapple in their hand. Such a vibe. I'm gonna run, hiking. I'm super fit.
Maybe
I have a
it's
pineapple in my hands.
Maybe the pineapple's his friend and he's taking it on a trip. Like Wilson, the volleyball.
Maybe it's his Halloween costume. But he was running.
Chicken.
It's everywhere.
There are chickens everywhere. I mean, I can say that. Oh my God, there's a whole herd of them over there. Well, I mean, it would be a nice, like, free source of food. But you don't know how clean they are.
Some of these chickens look a little dilapidated.
Well, I mean, they're living off the land, man. These are not like chickens where someone's coming out with a bucket of feed every day and be like,
Well,
here you go,
they definitely
boys.
they're definitely non-GMO, that's for sure.
Sun.
Big bright.
Daystar. Sizzles my skin.
Listen, vampire.
A lot of work being a northern vampire. What can I say? I'm not. Avoid a hot dog. See, this is the kind of hike that I bring the dogs on when they drag me up the hill.
Do you wear a little thing around your waist so they can pull you?
No, I've actually just two leashes, one arm. They just do half the work.
You're not dead yet.
Nope. I'm just having a near-death experience.
Have a near-death. This is life. This is amazing.
There is a breeze here, which is.
This is amazing. This is
making
absolutely
way better
tremendous.
Than, that hike in Sedona. I don't remember there being a breeze that day.
Oh, nice one. Thank you. 我找妹妹那个好的，两天的菜，我就好吃。
我哋唔係落到去嘅，就去到嗰個一決轉人。行過嚟啦，睇下咪知咯。哇，喂！
Oh,
sorry.
Sorry.
點喎？過嚟，直情影呢個 Lighthouse。嚟，過嚟。
邊個有個 Lighthouse 嘅呢度？哦，係喎。
嚟，企埋。It's real steep.
We have made it.
Be careful.
To the tippy top of Makapuʻu Lighthouse hike.
If I get up here high enough, you can see over the top. Maybe you can
Maybe
see the
you can see the
lighthouse.
lighthouse.
Thank you so much.
Maybe you can see the lighthouse.
Probably.
Thank you.
And then you can see all the way back out to there.
嗰邊都有一條路仔可以行。
We made the hike. Kirsten survived miraculously.
I haven't even started on my water yet.
She may not make it down because there's no elevator.
Oh, I'll be fine.
She
I'm
says.
certainly not going up there.
So what do you think of this hike, Karen?
It's beautiful.
What's the best part been?
The commentary.
Well, that was a hike, wasn't it?
It was hikey.
And Kirsten survived.
Altitude did not reduce the amount of oxygen.
It's not quite the same as the infamous Sedona hike where she almost lost her life. She survived.
Almost 4 miles.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been cooking today.
What time is it? I don't even know what time it is.
9:43.
9:43.
And what are we going to get now as a reward?
Malasadas, baby!
Cinnamon.
Because we found
Coconut
the
chocolate
bakery
custard,
truck.
Karen.
Leonard's Bakery.
Dun, 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 dun.
Malasadas. Leonard's Bakery.
Dun, 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 dun. Those do look good. I can smell
Sugary
them.
goodness. Can you smell the sugar?
Yes, I can. So,
I think these are the coconut filled tea.
coconut in the back. There's one coconut in the back.
Oh, there's going to be a lot of sugar in the car.
Compared to the sand. Okay, I have a coconut as well.
Oh my goodness.
This doesn't get your insides moving, nothing though. What do you think, Karen?
That's good.
Oh boy.
Nobody said this was going to be unmessy.
That's true. They're light and fluffy. They're almost like a popover.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm just going to set that there because we're not driving currently.
Right. Wow.
This is the plane, I think.
Kirsten strikes again.
That is good.
My God. I'm moving to Portugal.
Leptospirosis. Leprosis is one of the most widespread infectious diseases that are passed from animals to people. The bacteria are passed into our streams through the urine of animals like feral pigs, mongooses, and rats. Symptoms of leptospirosis are like the flu, but it can be fatal if left unattended. Don't let stream water get into your mouth, nose, or an open cut. Do not swim in freshwater streams.
To be clear, that warning was also where you guys went swimming the other day.
Now you tell me. Where's the T-Rex?
This is unreal. I mean, look at it.
Kirsten, you said this was easy.
Well,
Lies, deceptions. Are you alive?
Clearly not enough.
Misinformed because I was told this one wasn't bad either.
See?
But
I'm not the only one. There are not enough disclaimers.
I think we Googled the wrong one.
It's all deceptions.
Lies, I think.
It's the tourism industry trying to kill us.
Come on, sis. You can do it. All right. She made it. Kirsten made it. She made it down from way above.
Yeah.
There they are. There we are. Look at it. Way up. There's the waterfall.
Who knew there was this many international flights coming and going, eh?
Right?
Americana.
Americani.
China.
Americant.
American.
And
Right. Got this damn
Southwest.
mask on for the next.
18 hours.
We're going to miss you.
I'm gonna miss you guys too.
We had a lot of fun. We'll do it again.
We will. Bye. Over recording. Bye.
Everyone say goodbye to Karen. She's departing the trip.
Back home. Mask on
If we
for
can
the
get,
next
get out of the car.
10 hours.
Alright, don't talk to strangers.
And don't tip them.
Well, now what are we going to do?
You're stuck with me. Just me.
Oh, boy.
24/7 for another week.
The adventure continues.
As always. Bucky's in the back.
Okay.
He hasn't been kicked into the dashboard as
He
he
was-
was on luau night.
He wasn't accidentally abducted by Karen.
No.
All right.
Good night, Gracie.
Good night.